come to Italy and not try la meosa. Good job. I only put lemon on there. I usually put salt, pepper, lemon, and cheese, but just lemon. If you don't know what meosa is, it's spleen.
This is not by any means for anyone who is faint of heart, so if you can't stand looking at food like this, then turn away now. This is what it looks like. Yep, it's spleen.
Now, if you're a texture person, you probably would not like this. I don't know. I'm a texture person too, but I'm used to eating heart. And this is kind of what it reminds me of, but softer. So, it's a win for me. I like it. So, check it out. Carne con meosa. Try it in Sicily.